today. We're on our way to check out a 1980 Olds Cutlass Supreme. They're very desirable. Anytime we get a call on a G-body, as they're called, we usually hop on the truck pretty quick. Woo! He's dirty.
Holy cow. Dude, what was living in here?
Some critters got in there.
They left a pile of and apparently they like corn.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man, I didn't even see the other pile of sitting on the hump.
Dude, that was something big.
Yeah, they left a python lay there. That's gross.
I ain't cleaning this one.
You calling that already?
No, I'm out.
It's a 1980 Olds Cutlass Supreme. My father-in-law bought it brand new, and it's been in the family.
Any idea, I mean, roughly speaking, what you think you're gonna need for it?
I'd like 3,500 for it.
It seems to have good bones, seems to be solid and everything, but, you know, it's a little bit for me kind of buying a cat in a sack. I don't really know what the motor's like. I don't really know what the tranny's like. It's hitting me more, I'm thinking like 2,200 bucks.
I'd like a little more. You think like 25?
Does 2,400 work?
I'd be fine with that.
All right, I'll do that. Let's do 24. I
Sounds
appreciate
good.
it. Now that Phil's blown off the leaves, it's time to bring Izzy to clean up the rest.
Oh my God. Oh. That is gross. Well, whatever animal we got in here sure liked its vegetables.
We steam an engine to get the grease and grime and sometimes even the rust scale or any other contaminants that have been under the hood for a long, long time. The steam adds moisture back to it and it tends to drop off. We got the car looking great, but there's still one last thing we have to do. Let's see if she'll run. We're gonna start by putting a new battery in this car, see if we have spark and ignition, and if we do, we're on the right track. Do you have a fire extinguisher here, Phil?
Yeah, it's right over by the eye wash.
Okay, all right. If not, this thing could snowball out of control and be very expensive very quick. We could be talking thousands of dollars to get this thing running. Keep your face out from under the hood in case she backfires. Everybody clear?
Yeah.
Yeah! I am so proud of how this Cutlass came out. It is truly a night and day transformation in just 2 days. The best part is Phil's got a prospective buyer, so we're gonna show it off and see if we can make a deal.
What do you think?
Dude, that thing's lit.
This thing is mint.
It's got square lines, dude. I love it. The chrome's good. The paint's all pearly. It's shining in my eyes, reflecting the sun. And
Yeah. Cosmetically, she was kind of dirty, but mechanically, it actually didn't take a ton to get it going.
it looks great.
I'm thinking that 7,500.
I don't know, Jeremy. 75 is like it's a little steep for me being in college and working, and you know, I just don't know if I'm quite there yet.
Yeah.
I'm sitting more around 4, you know.
Yeah, unfortunately, 4, that's gonna be a little light. I mean, I want to work with you, obviously, so you're friends with Phil, but I can't quite go half price, though. So if I got into the upper 6s somewhere.
Does 65 sound good to you?
Well, I tell you what, for $6,500, let's do it. We bought this 1980 Cutlass for $2,400, and after 48 hours of hard work, we got the car sold for $6,500. That's a $4,100 profit. I'll take that any day.